Hello dear students, this is your social studies class and the name of your social studies book is Footprints. It contains 15 chapters and they are divided into 4 parts, that is geography, civics, history and economics in everyday life. Today we will start with the first chapter of your book that belongs to the geography part, and the name of the chapter is Learning About Maps. In today's video, we are going to study about maps and its uses. Let's get started. If I may ask you, on which planet do you live? I repeat my question. On which planet do you live? Yes, you live on Earth. Can you see that picture? What this picture looks like? Does it look like Earth? Yes, it is the model of the Earth and its name is globe. It looks like a map but it is round in shape. But if you put the globe in rectangular form, it becomes the map of the world. अगर आप उसको rectangular form में बनाते हैं, then it becomes the map of the world. And how are maps useful to us? They help us to travel around the world. If you want to go on a world tour, maps can help you. They will show you the way to travel around the world. Okay, another question for you. If you have to visit another city, what would you like to look at? A map or a globe? Yes, you will look at the map because you can carry it easily with you. Moving on to the next slide, let us learn more about maps. Maps are the drawings of the Earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. It means if you draw Earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface or on a rectangular sheet, it is called a map. And the person who makes the map, जो maps को बनाता है, the person is known as cartographer. And the work of making maps is known as cartography. Let us see how maps are useful for us. It shows us many different kinds of information. For example, it shows natural features of the earth. Natural features means mountains, plateaus, rivers, sea, oceans, glaciers. These are the natural features. Next, it shows the locations of continents, countries, states and cities. If you have seen the map of the world or the map of our country, you can easily see the continents, countries on the world map and the states and the cities in the Indian map. So it shows the location of continents, different continents, countries, states and cities. And without maps, we would not have known how our country looks. अगर maps नहीं होते तो हमें नहीं पता चलता हमारी country कैसी दिखती है. Maps help us to find and travel to unknown places. Maps also help us to find or to travel to those places where we have not visited before or earlier. Okay, even the tourists, they took help of maps only when they go to a new place. Next is a map shows more than one kind of information. It's not important or it's not that map shows only one kind of information. Map आपको बहुत सारी तरह की information देता है. For example, if a map shows the location of states and towns, it can also show what kind of crops that state grows. I hope the topics are clear. Thank you and have a nice day.